Hey everybody, Frank here, Godzilla Island for the Major Squad with an unboxing from Funtime Go. This is another Kickstarter release here. You may have previously seen my other unboxing for them from Funtime Go. I've gotten my Godzilla vs. Cthulhu comic from them. And then of course the Kaiju Rock and Roller Derby. This is going to be issue 2 of that. Let's see, I should have cut this up a little earlier for you guys here. Hold on, let me wrestle with this. Alright. Alright. It's packed up really nicely, and I'm just having a hard time getting it open. Alright. Alright, there we go. Alright. Oh, one more. Alright. We are open, guys. Alright. Look at that nice presentation from Funtime Go here. Super Kaiju Rock and Roller Derby, Funtime Go. Start here. We got our VIP bracelet from Funtime Go. They usually have early sign up for VIP, so you get discounts on the campaign as well as this extra swag. Let's see what's in here. Let's see. There's a VIP thank you letter. Got some bookmarks. Really cool swag here. And our Sequoia trading card. Awesome. Can't wait to put this with the other trading card I got. Alright, let's pull these on the side over here. We got those goodies to the side. We got our bracelet. Alright, and let's take a look at the book. And now these are hardcovers, these comics. Some really great looking comics. You know, I actually owe you all a review of issue 1, so I will have to record that. Let's get the rest of this out of here. Get that box over here. So we have Miss Mina is the other Funtime Go series it's running on Kickstarter. They have a few other series going on, so be sure to check them out. Funtime Go. We have our certificate of authenticity in there, I see. And this is the book here. Nice hardcover. Super Kaiju Rock and Roller Derby, Funtime Go, Sequoia Sweet. This is the second entry in the series. What a cool cover. Let me get this out of here. Let's see what we got. There, keep this. Card backing. We have some more goodies in here, lots of goodies. Alright, so we have our certificate of authenticity. We have our Diva Demons patch, that's the band. Really cool. Rocking around the Kaiju tree, have a fun time. Oh, that's hysterical. I didn't know that was coming with it. And then we have a little Momo print. A sticker sheet. Really cool. All the girls from the band. And then, of course, the book itself. Let's take a peek inside. It's got this is a dust jacket cover. So this is the, take that dust jacket off so you can see how the book looks like without it. Really awesome art. Awesome interior, look at that. So cool. These are really gorgeous looking books. Got our signature in there. with a little intro here, breakdown of the cover, credits, gallery arts. Let's go to page 28 for the gallery. I'll give you guys a little preview on some spreads. Whoa, really cool. That's definitely a spread. This is the, yeah, these are the pinups. How did I open up right to that? Yeah, so here's some of the pinups. Some little side stories here. Wow. I can't wait to read this, guys. I'm really due to review issue 1 as well. But damn, we got some kaiju action in this. So be on the lookout for that review. Wow. Gorgeous looking book, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope you like all the extra goodies we got with this. We got bookmarks, bracelets, trading cards, stickers, Christmas cards, prints, all that fun stuff. Fun time go. Check them out. And I'm sure volume 3, issue 3 is right around the corner. So thank you for watching.